Did you have balloons? Balloons? Where are the balloons? Yeah. Did you have cake? Did you get to eat cake? Balloon? Show us your book. Show us what's in your book. What you just ate. Did you eat oranges in the book? Let's show the oranges. What did we just eat? We had oranges. What else? Cookie. Did you have a cookie? Can you say choo-choo train? Yes. Choo-choo. Choo-choo train. Can you say kitchen? Kitchen. Kitchen. Choo-choo. Can you say bumblebee? Bumblebee. Bee. Yeah, it's on our video we watch. Bumble. Bumblebee. Where's the doggy? Yeah? Doggy. And where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Dada. Is he at work? Yeah, at the door. He goes splish splash, huh? Dada. Ooh. What does Daddy do before he goes to work? He takes a tubby. What does he do in the tubby? Splish splash. Yes. Splish splash in the tubby. What do you see outside when we go on walks? What do we see outside? Do we see birds and tractors and horses? Yeah? Where are the horses in the book? Let's open to the page of the horses. Let's see, where's the horses? Oh, there's a sun. There's trees. You see that? What else? Oh, what's that? What's that? Is that a giraffe? And you have a giraffe over there, yeah. You have a toy giraffe. Should we get our picture of Auntie Kristen and Todd? Should we get the picture? Get the picture. Yes, here's the picture. Your friends. Yes, who is that? Who is that? Auntie Kristen, Uncle Todd, Zachy, and Caitlin, and Abby. Where are they on the picture? On the other side, there's another one. Yeah. They're not in the book. They're only in the card. Yes, that's where they are. Here, look. Who's this? Abby, Caitlin, Zachy. Are those your friends? Do you kiss them? Yes, you kiss them. You always send kisses. Mwah.